Right now, I want to show you how to use this active odor and stain eliminator. So I've got a spot here on the carpet. Now, full transparency, this is just orange juice, but the reason I got this cleaner in the first place was because this happened a couple weeks ago. One of the cats had an accident outside of the litter box. So this is just one of those pieces of furniture that hides the actual litter box here. And so I wanted something specifically for that. So this is specifically meant for animal pet accidents. You can use it on tons of different surfaces. It's multi-surfaces, so you can use it on your carpet, area rugs, upholstery, mattresses, even concrete and your hardwood floor surfaces. Just make sure that they're sealed, wood, vinyl, and things like that. One of the cool things that I really like about it is that it's actually got enzymes in it that actually breaks down the different accidents, as opposed to other cleaners. They're really going to just mask the odors, but this one actually breaks it down because of the enzyme blend that it has. Now they're safe for us, so they're not toxic or anything like that. They're just natural enzymes, and they help actually break down the stain. Now to use it, we're simply just going to spray it on our spot that we're working. So you just want to turn the spray head to the spray setting, and then we're just going to spray it on there. And we want to get a pretty good amount on there to have it well saturated. Now we're just going to let that sit for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes here, we're just going to take a towel, an old rag, and we're going to blot it. We're going to kind of pull that spot up, okay? And we're just going to blot there. And you see it's coming up there really well. And that's really it. You can kind of rub it there after a while because you just want to pull it out. You don't really want to rub it or smear it around. You just want to pull that spot out as opposed to kind of rubbing it around. And that's it. You can repeat the process as needed until you are satisfied with the results. And it's really easy to use. It has a nice lemon scent, and it's got a really good smell to it. And you can just continue the process as needed until you are satisfied. You could also go over it with a carpet cleaner. Something like a portable carpet cleaner would work. I like the Bissell little green. This is the Hydro Steam, but any portable carpet cleaner would work as well. Kind of just go over the spot to make sure you get everything out of there. Extracting it with a vacuum would really help. So there you go. That's how you use that active odor and stain eliminator. I hope that was helpful.